Welcome to a Daily Fix Guide, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel the Zety subscription in 2025. First of all, you would like to open a browser and make sure to go to zety.com in the URL section. Once you do so, you should find yourself right here. You can go and click on My Account at the top right corner, and this should take you normally into a page where you can sign in into your account or sign up if you don't have an account. Since you want to cancel a Zety subscription, you probably already have an account, so make sure that you log in into it very easily. So once you're logged in normally, and if it's your first time, as example, you've never created a resume or something like that, you should find here, as an example, create your resume, and you'll have to answer, as an example, some questions here. So you can even click on prefer not to answer if you don't want to answer some questions, and that should normally take you into this. For me, I'm just going to click on choose later, skip for now, because I want just to get into the settings. So an example, I'm just going to click on yes. And I'm gonna go an example through this. It doesn't matter, I don't need it in resume at the moment. We just want to cancel subscription. So if you want, you can fill up, as example, a lot of your information right here. And as example for me, I'm just going to click on the icon and I'm just going to click on go to dashboard because I don't care about building a resume right now. So once we are here on the dashboard, to cancel our subscription, all you need to do is just go to your account. You should find it at the top right corner, then go and click on settings. Once you do so, you should find yourself right here. On this left panel, go and click on subscriptions or subscription. And here, as you can see, for me, I'll find upgrade to full access because I don't have any subscription at the moment. But for you, you should find an example, either upgrade as an example right here if you don't have like the latest plan, or even you should find a cancel option. You might find cancel subscription and membership. All you need to do, just go and click on that option, and then they'll ask you if you want to confirm the cancellation. You will easily, or normally once you confirm it, you will usually like get an email confirmation right away that will confirm that you canceled your subscription and you should be good to go. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.